Hi everyone. In conducting research in a large population or participants, it is advised to get only a sample that will represent the entire population. In this way, you can save a lot of your resources. There are many ways that you can do to gather your sample. One way is through random sampling. Random sampling or probability sampling is a method of selecting the members of your sample. In this method, every member of the target population has a known chance of being included in the sample. In this video, I will discuss with you the 4 types of random sampling. The simple random sampling, systematic sampling, stratified sampling, and cluster sampling. Simple random sampling is a sampling technique in which each member of a population has an equal chance of being chosen through the use of an unbiased selection method. For example, your population is 26, represented by person A to Z, and you are going to choose 5 persons for your sample. Write the names in the pieces of paper and put it inside a box, then without looking, randomly pick 5 names. You can pick the names one by one or 5 names at the same time. This is the same with the fish-bowl method. There is also a popular simple random sampling technique, which is the lottery method. Next is the systematic random sampling. Systematic sampling involves taking random samples at regular periodic intervals. For example, make a list of all the names of your targeted population. Arrange in random order. From this list, you are going to select the 5th, 10th, 15th, 20th, and 25th person. Or, from this list, you are going to select all the names with even numbers. The next method is the stratified random sampling. In this method, a population is divided into subgroups, or strata, based on shared characteristics and then randomly select among these groups. This method is typically used when a population has distinct differences, such as demographics, level of education, or age, and can easily be broken into subgroups. For example, you have this population. You divide the population into 4 strata. Then randomly select one from each stratum to get your sample. Lastly, the cluster random sampling. In this method, naturally formed groups are used to divide a large population up into clusters and then select randomly among the clusters to form the sample. For example, your targeted population are all the students of your school or of a certain school. Let's say the school is offering grades 7 to 12. You can make all the grade 7 sections as one cluster and all the grade 8 sections as one cluster, another cluster for all grade 9 sections, the same with 10, 11, and 12. In each cluster, you are going to select the desired number of participants for your sample. That's it for my discussion on random sampling.